Leftover Bifen Talik mix should never be poured onto the ground or down drains because that risks harm to people, pets, and the environment. When you have leftover mixture, first check the product label for specific storage and disposal instructions and follow them exactly. If you need to keep the mixture for future spot treatments, transfer it to a clearly labeled, durable container that is compatible with the formulation and has a tight-fitting lid. Then store it in a locked area out of reach of children and pets and away from food, feed, and ignition sources. If you plan to use the remainder soon, do so promptly to avoid degradation, which can reduce effectiveness and complicate disposal. For amounts you will not use, contact your local household hazardous waste collection program for guidance because many communities accept pesticide solutions at designated drop-off events or facilities. Do not attempt to neutralize or dilute the mix into sewage, storm drains, or backyard compost because that leads to environmental contamination and may violate local regulations. When transporting leftover product to a collection site, keep the container upright and secured and bring the original label or product information so staff can advise on safe handling. Common mistakes include leaving mixed product in an unlabeled bottle, which can lead to accidental exposure or improper reuse. So always label containers with the product name, concentration, and date, and store them separately from household items. Another issue is storing mixed material long-term in unsuitable containers that can leak or degrade, so use chemically compatible containers and check them regularly, disposing of any that show damage. People also frequently pour leftover mix down drains or on soil, thinking it will be harmless, so instead, contact local waste authorities or follow the label for proper disposal and consider using up small amounts on target areas permitted by the label. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for remediation, cleanup, or follow-up pest control work, and we provide resources about safe chemical storage and disposal practices. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and coordinate local disposal options, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with potential clients in our network.